also a simple question what we are supposed to be doing in this one. Like it is saying that remove all adjacent duplicates in the string. Like whatever the adjacent duplicates will be coming into the string, we just need to remove them. Okay, just by giving the example. Okay, just suppose that if I am having small e over there, so what is the thing that is violating in this input? This small e is coming adjacent to this small e. These two things should have been removed. Okay, so my this small e will be cancelling this thing and my final answer will be this. Okay, so this was the first input I have tested out. Second input, let's test on the second input. If my inputs comes to this one, like small l, small e, small e, small l. Okay, so what will be my what should be removed, because this small e is coming adjacent to this small e, है ना? So these two things should be removed, है ना? So now my new answer is small l, है ना? But the new answer that is coming to me is also violating the things. So these both of these things should also be removed, because both of these will also be have to removed. So my new final answer is this. Okay, this is my final answer. What the question was actually saying, it was saying that alphabet should not be adjacent, like same alphabet should not be adjacent, means s cannot be coming adjacent to s. Matlab if my input is this, so we will have to remove both of them, and this will be my final output. Matlab empty output will be my final output. Okay, just suppose okay, if let's take the input one as example so that you can understand it better way. See, okay, so this is violating the case, है ना? So we will be removing them, and this will be my new input. Okay, matlab my new output will be this one. Yeah, now inside this one as well, both of them are coming adjacent, so we will have to remove them as well. Now this will be my next answer, and this will be my final answer, because now anything is not violating to anything. Okay, final answer. So make this thing as a thumb rule, because it was like reoccurring, like my answer came to here, my answer came. Now on my answer as well some things was violating, means this is called reoccurring, है ना? This is called reoccurring here as well. Like first we removed this thing, my this came my answer, this came as my answer, but even on my answer as well, my answer was not perfect, I had to modify something on the answer, and this became my final answer, है ना? Okay, so there is thumb rule. Whenever we are working on the adjacent variables, na, adjacent variables, whenever we are working on the adjacent variables in string, means there is something that string, within a string there are some conditions given on two adjacent variables, then we can think that solution with stack, है ना? That will be little easy using the stacks. Without stack we can also do, but that is little complicated, we will be looking into it as well. But first look with the stack, है ना? This stack is little easy to be done. Okay, so just suppose I will be starting with this example, small l, small e, capital E, small e, sorry. Okay, first example, small l, small e, small e. Okay, what will doing, my I will be using the stack over here. Okay, I'll making an empty stack. My l came, my first input is l, and my stack is empty, nothing is there in the stack, so I will be putting whatever is coming onto the stack. Okay, now my e is coming, and whatever is on the top of the stack is l. The incoming this incoming is not violating with the top element with the stack, so I can easily push this into the stack. Okay, now my new incoming is this is my new incoming, है ना? So whatever is my new incoming, is it violating the element within the top of the stack? Yes, my top of the stack is small e, and then the new incoming is also small e. So both of the things cannot be correlate with each other. These things मतलब this cannot be possible, मतलब, है ना? So मतलब small e is small e with the small e is not possible, so whatever is on the top of the stack I will have to remove it, है ना? And whatever my final stack will be, that will be my answer. Like at the end of the day, the final output is small l, so small l will become my output. Okay, So just think, it will be more clear with this example, small e small e small l. Okay, so what I did, I checked my pointer is here. So my stack is empty, I just put the data into the stack. Okay, now my small e is here, my small e is my pointer is on small e, and whatever is on the top of stack is not violating the small e, so I can easily put small e over here as well, है ना. Now my pointer came to here, now my pointer is on small e, and whatever is on the top of the stack, that is also small e, and small e violate small e, है ना. So whatever is on the top of the stack, I will be popping them out. Okay, now my pointer came here, now my new incoming is small l, and whatever is on the top of the stack, that is also small l. So I will be removing, popping the data that is on the top of the stack, and whatever at the end of the day, whatever in the will be there on the top, there in the stack na, that will be my final answer. So whatever is on the stack will be my final answer, and the stack is empty, so empty is my final answer. Okay, so now let's look this as an example. We will be looking the code of it. We have looked the example currently. Okay, so what is this? We made a empty stack, है ना. We started traversing the complete string line by line, मतलब character by character we are traversing it. What we were checking, if the stack, मतलब if the stack is empty, मतलब stack dot is empty, what we were doing when the stack was empty, whenever the stack was empty, we were just directly pushing into it. मतलब my L came, my stack was empty, so I directly pushed into it, into the stack. So when the stack is empty, then I can directly push, or when the stack peak, whatever on the top of the stack is not equal to the current character, even then I can push the data directly onto the stack. Okay, otherwise I will have to pop whatever is on the top of the stack, है ना. Till here it is clear. Okay, solid, clear. Now I came to here, है ना. Yeah, now I came to here, now I created the string builder class, मतलब string builder object I created, and I was telling that whatever will be on the stack, or whatever will be remaining on the stack will be my final answer. So whatever is on the stack, I am just putting that to the string builder, and I will be returning, converting that string builder to string, and I will be returning that one as an answer. And it is a easy question, and the time complexity and space complexity will be big of n, है ना. Time and space complexity will be big of n, because time big of n means because we are traversing the n elements, whatever the alphabets is there in the string, है ना. Means if there are n alphabets, n means number of alphabets in the string, है ना. And size is also n, because we are using a stack, है ना. And stack can be, मतलब in the worst case the stack can be fulfilled with all the characters within the string, है ना. So time and space is both are big of n. Okay, thank you.